Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying basics that actually fix most Crackle issues. Check that both phone and head unit run the latest firmware and app versions. Updates often resolve codec bugs. Once done, swap to a known good shielded USB cable and try a different vehicle USB port that rules out broken wiring. Make sure the phone's USB mode is file transfer or the car protocol, not charging only, because improper USB negotiation causes audio dropouts and distortion. Now you perform deeper, technical steps. Disable battery optimization and lock background activity for the Auto or Carplay app. Aggressive power management can stutter streams. Next, check the head unit's ground and antenna connections. Electrical noise from a poor ground or loose terminal creates crackling. If your phone offers USB audio or sample rate settings in developer options, reduce or standardize the sample rate. Mismatched codecs between devices produce digital artifacts. These actions reduce interference and format conflicts. You finish by applying final remedies and a clear fallback. Flash the head unit firmware if updates are available, following manufacturer steps precisely, because corrupted firmware can introduce audio noise. Once you've backed up settings, perform a factory reset on the head unit as a last software resort. This clears configuration corruption. If problems persist, switch to Bluetooth audio to confirm whether USB/audio path is at fault, and then seek a professional installer to inspect internal wiring and grounding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.